Hey, honey, you're snoring a little bit. Hey, hon, you want to wake up? Hey, let's wake up. Come on. If you want to wake up a little bit, you're snoring. You want to wake up a little bit? Yeah, you good? Do you think you're snoring a little bit? Are you alright? You want Lexi to give you a little kiss to wake you up? Wake up. You're snoring. Do you think you snore? Do you think you snore a little bit? Kiss him. Kiss Twiddles. Kiss him. Get him to stop snoring. Both the puppies. Alright, come on up. Yeah, say hi. Say hi. Back up. Hello. Oh, he gives a kiss. Oh, no, that's a big kiss. Back up. Oh. Say hello. Hello. Back up. Oh. The big baby. We're going to go back to the Fuzzles. Look his nose. He's snoring again. But most importantly, what does that say? World champion. World champion. Cute face. Cute face. Oh, there's the snore again. Oh, he's so cute. But he doesn't snore. He has a gentle purr. Lexi. Hi, honey. Hi. Here's your mochi. Oh, he's so cute. Say goodnight. Lexi. Hi. Otley. Oh, you got a big nose. Big nose, big eyes, big feet, big heart. Big snore.